Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to compare Claude Code and Augment. Claude Code and Augment are both AI tools for developers, but they focus on different approaches to coding assistance. Claude Code from Anthropic is an AI coding assistant that can understand large amounts of context from your code base. It can generate, explain, and refactor code, answer technical questions, and help debug. It's good for both small coding tasks and bigger, multi-life changes, making it feel like a smart programming partner. Augment is an AI-powered code completion tool designed to work directly in your IDE. It focuses on giving accurate, real-time suggestions as you type, similar to GitHub Copilot, but it also learns from your codebase over time to adapt its suggestions. This makes it useful for speeding up repetitive coding and maintaining consistency in style and structure. In short, Claude Code is better for deep, context-aware coding help and problem-solving, while Augment is best for fast, in-editor code suggestions that adapt to your personal coding style. Thank you everyone for watching this video. Hope you guys have value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe. Goodbye.